I'll take a little video of her in it, and I'll send it to you. We have a good old time. Look, Abby, you got a parrot above your head. Look. Look. Yeah, I'll do the video and I'll call you back in a little bit. Alright. Bye. Your feet almost touch the ground. What you got? Look at the elephant. Look. Ah. Ooh, it's got different music on it. You like it? Huh? Look, you can bounce. Whee! You like it? You do, huh? Whee! Whoa, those monkeys are going crazy, huh? Are the monkeys going crazy? You like bouncing? Whoa! Whee! What's going on? You love it? Look, you got a bug over here. Look, you can spin around in your chair. Look. Let go of the wheel. Here, look, let go of the wheel. We're going to spin this way. Look, spin this way. Quit looking at the camera, you little nerd. Look over here. What you got over here? Look. Look, the tiger comes up. Look, Abby. And look. What's that? We'll bounce some more. We'll bounce. Whee! Is it fun? Huh? Is it fun? What's all that noise? And look, you can turn this way. Turn you a little bit more. Move your hand. Move your hand again. And look over here. You got an alligator and a spinny ball. There you go. We'll turn back around to the front. The itsy bitsy spider went up the staircase. Is that a monkey? Oh, it's so fun, huh? Oh, bounce. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Say, hey, Grandma, I'm bouncing. My feet hit the floor when I bounce. Whee! What you got? Ooh, you got a new toy. You so excited? What you got? Yeah, I got a parrot and something hanging up over there. On bounce. Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Those monkeys are going crazy, huh? Okay, say bye-bye. Blow 'em kisses.